What's the learning? The learning is take the time to appreciate the beauty of nature. So when we go to the garden, no, sometimes our mind is somewhere else only. So we are listening to the music, we're looking at people, and what we forget to see the absolute beauty of nature. How beautiful every single thing is. So from today, in fact, today, aaj aapka ye homework hai. So one of the simplest way of getting into a high vibration is to appreciate God's creation. So when you go to the garden, watch every flower carefully. आप थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिए हर flower को. Watch every leaf. Watch every strand of grass carefully. ध्यान से एक एक चीज को देखिए. Spend some time looking at everything carefully and see how beautiful God has created everything. And you will be amazed at the intelligence. कहीं देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपके आसपास ही intelligence दिखता है परमात्मा का. Every single thing that you see in the garden or around you is a divine expression of God. God की जो energy है, वो अलग-अलग रूप में दिख रही है आपको आपके आसपास और आपके अंदर. So basically, when you connect with you and when you understand this beauty, you automatically connect with source. So you automatically get into high vibration. Okay. What's your homework going to be? You will realize the infinite intelligence to be at play. It is playing around you. तो इसका एहसास होना, इसके लिए awareness होना कि how beautifully God has come in different forms and shapes. Every strand of grass, every petal on the leaf, everything is so beautiful. Take the time when you go out and exercise today to just observe the beauty of nature and appreciate the beauty. Appreciate how God has created such amazing things on this planet.